Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to unblock people on Messenger. So you have to just open the Messenger on the Android device or iOS. This solution is for both. So you have to open the Messenger. So you have to the on the top left three horizontal lines of the settings. So you have to click to the settings and scroll down to find there is privacy and safety. You have to little scroll down more and there is privacy and safety. So there is the option of blocked accounts. So you have to click to block account. So this one of the account I have been blocked, so I will click it to remove it. You will see it, and if you want to remove it from unblock, so you have to click to the unblock. So it's an example. So this is how to check your blocked account on Messenger. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.